So if you're driving in India, you know the situation can change anytime. A sudden brake, a reckless overtake, or even a rear-end collision. Anything can go wrong anytime. And when that happens, it's the footage that matters. That's why a dash cam is no longer just a gadget, it's an essential accessory for your complete peace of mind when you take out your car for a drive. And for that particular purpose, in order to help you decide the right dash camera for you, the budget dual channel dash cam under 6000, I will be comparing two dash cams in this video. The first one being the newly launched made in India Qubo Dashcam Pro 2K front and rear, along with a kind of a older model, the DDPAI N1 Dual channel dashcam. So both these cameras come under the price bracket of 6000 rupees and offer you a dual channel setup. But what's the difference between these two, and which one of these two cameras should you go ahead with? Let's take a look about that. Well, starting off, both cameras offer you a 2K 1296p resolution at 30 fps from the front camera and a full HD resolution at 25 fps from the rear camera. So as you can see in this particular comparison footage, the Qubo Dashcam Pro 2K offers more sharper details and better contrast owing to its WDR capability, that's wide dynamic range. WDR basically is a camera technology that helps capture clear details in both very bright and very dark areas in the same scene. And the Qubo Dashcam Pro, with its WDR capabilities, has the ability to give you a more clearer picture. Additionally, the Qubo Dashcam Pro also offers you a slightly wider field of view, so this means you're getting more picture within the same frame, you're getting more details within the same frame of reference. Both the Qubo Dashcam Pro 2K and the DDPAI Dual Channel Dashcam get a super capacitor, which means in terms of heat resistance, in terms of high cabin temperature, both cameras will perform more or less equally. But what sets the Qubo Dashcam Pro apart from the DDPAI N1 Dual is that the Qubo Dashcam Pro gets a memory card storage support of up to 1 TB, whereas the DDPAI Dual Dashcam supports only up to 256 GB. So this means you get 4 times more storage worth of space in the Qubo Dashcam Pro if you do use a 1 TB SD card. Now do note that SD card is not provided in the box for either of the cameras, you will have to purchase it separately. But in case if you do purchase a 1 TB card, it's only supported by the Qubo Dashcam Pro. Additionally, both the cameras get a G sensor and a G sensor based emergency recording feature. So in case of any collision, both cameras will record an event recording or an emergency recording in a separate folder. Talking about practicality, the DDPAI Dual Channel Dashcam has a tiltable design. So basically it can adapt to any windshields, any inclined windshields. But the Qubo Dashcam Pro 2K has a trick up its sleeve. It's not only tiltable, it's 360-degree rotatable, which means you can record even the cabin of your car by just turning around the camera. This means it has a wide range of flexibility in order to adapt to any sort of a windshield, along with the fact that the ability to record the cabin of the car is present whenever you need it. Talking about the rear camera and its video quality from both of these dash cameras, both the cameras have a rear camera which shoot a full HD resolution at 25 fps, and more or less the quality is pretty much the same, no drastic difference. But I do think the Qubo Dashcam's rear camera has a slightly better sharpness and a better overall look when you actually compare it with the DDPAI Dual Channel Dashcam. The Qubo Dashcam Pro 2K also gets a pan-India service support along with installation services as well, including home installation. So that's one aspect which kind of most manufacturers tend to ignore upon, but Qubo really has included that particular aspect, and you can get installation done with the help of professionals. Talking about one of the most important and most underrated aspect of any dashcam, the app experience. The Qubo Dashcam Pro gets a made in India Qubo Pro app, which is super easy to use and super easy to understand. Even somebody who is using a dashcam for the first time can easily access the camera because of its fast Wi-Fi internet connectivity, easy playback experience, one-tap video downloads, quick snapshots and recording, along with the fact that this app has been designed with the Indian customers in mind. The DDPAI app, on the other hand, is a regular dash camera app which offers you regular features, and it's a Chinese app. It's not a made in India app. So in those terms, the Qubo Dashcam Pro app also has a bigger advantage. You get a made in India dashcam, you get a made in India app designed for Indian customers. That's something which most Indians will definitely prefer. So considering all of these features which I just mentioned about, I do think the Qubo Dashcam Pro 2K front and rear makes the dual camera protection accessible for Indian drivers. A dashcam proves its value in a moment when you probably will never expect, and in those particular terms, you should definitely consider the Qubo Dashcam Pro 2K. If you do have a budget of about 6,000 rupees, you want a complete peace of mind, you want an Indian made dashcam and an Indian made app, and you want to have a ease of use and the most practical features, including a cabin recording feature that only the Qubo Dashcam provides for you. So this is one good dash camera which you should not be missing. And in case if you're interested in grabbing this, the purchase link is given right down below in the description of this video. Go ahead, click on the link and buy it straight away. And if you do have any doubts, any queries regarding this dash cam, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. So do make sure to like this video and share it with your friends who are looking for a dual channel budget dash cam, and tell them that this dashcam from the Hero Group, made in India and built for Indian roads, is something which every one of your friends should definitely consider. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.